Good afternoon, guys. How you all doing out there? It's been a long time since I could get back in front of the camera, show a few of the saws. So an auspicious saw's leaving today, a real special girl. So this is a message from Mark in Ireland. Mark, thanks for buying one of the beautiful Partner R12s. So this is the girl that's just been on the shelf for 2.5 years-ish, untouched. Love to hear what you do, whether or not she's going to be hung up, or whether or not she's going to be used in your collection, or you're going to cut them with her, or just going to love to hear what you're going to do. And now there's such a special girl, 50mm piston, 46mm stroke. Can you believe this saw's already celebrated then? Its 60th birthday, 61 years or so. Quite incredible. Is there any fuel left in this thing? So it was only run, well, it was last run on the video, probably 3 or 4 weeks ago. Oh, a tiny bit. Okay, so not touched since then. Let's see how she starts today for us. If there's enough fuel in there. Look, just a little bit in the base of the tank. And it's kind of gravity fed. So that's choke on is down, isn't it? That's right, isn't it? Pretty sure that's right. Throttle lock. Oh, is that? That's the on position. Oh, yeah. No, pretty sure that's right. Okay, might need to put some more fuel in, Mark. Oh. I have a feeling I'm going to need to get fuel. Should have done that before. Let's try it once more, just in case she's kind of filtering through after a few weeks of standing. Okay, bit of effort to start, just never runs this girl, so just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous engines, just spectacular. So in her honour today, we've brought out, I've got 4 variations of the R12s, and they're just gorgeous, gorgeous saws. I have, oh, any of you keen-eyed people, this is where it kind of starts for Partner. Officially from 55, this is the spectacular Partner C6 98cc rotary induction valve, gear driven, just unbelievable. And what else do we have out today? We have from the mid-60s the R16s, R17s, R14s, S50s, 55s, F55, farmer version, anniversary versions, S65, and actually that's very interesting as well. Got to clear up 2 things at the same time. Somebody messaged and said that the S50 and the S55 are the same saw. That is not the case, and that is just like in the case of the R17. Same displacement, same footprint, same engine as the R16, except AV mounts, AV mount at the back, whereas the R16 is a fixed handle, and S50 anniversary saw, fixed. S55, just like in the 16 and the 17. AV mount, devil's in the detail, always. So it wasn't just a name change, as somebody messaged me, it's actually a model designation change. Yeah. And hopefully a bit later on, now I've poured out a couple of my later partners, the F65 and the S65. I might do a head-to-head with my Husky 266 to see how they perform back to back. Mark, hope you love the saw. Let's see how she restarts for us. Oh yeah. Many thanks. I'll pack her safely today. Let me know what you do with her. Can't wait to hear. Bye for now.